Hello? So at the end of this episode, I am 100% sure I will be at Looks to the Moon, okay? So stick around to the end, it shouldn't take too long. I've made this journey a few times already. Okay. I want to do this kind of quickly. I don't want to hang around too long. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, never mind, that's a jellyfish. Yeah, jellyfish, you can hold on to them and they make you swim very quickly. Oh god, okay, you know what, never mind, I do not want to say hi to this guy. I've never seen a red salamander. That's weird as heck. God, I do not have time for that now. These guys can be so annoying. Well, did you know that the largest creature in the game actually lives in this? Oh god, no, it's a eel lizard, eel lizard, eel lizard. Oh! No, no, no. Okay, don't take the spear. I do not need the spear. Spear's as good as useless in the water. Yeah, I'm gonna take this quickly. As long as I can get, you know, drifters can be so annoying because sometimes they really, I don't know, I just keep colliding with you. Maybe try to like knock you. Good here. Oh, good here. Yeah. I'm pretty sure down here there is. No, I missed it. Too bad. Well. Well, that shouldn't take too long. I know somewhere at the end of this corridor. Um. Yeah, up there. There. Also, if you're coming through a pipe, if you click jump, it like propels you forward really quickly through the pipe. Okay. Yeah. Good. Also, the largest creature in the game lives here on the shoreline. You don't see it that often, but when you do see it, there's about nothing you can do. And it doesn't even officially do damage, it just one-shots you. It one-shots everything. Even vultures. Because it will sometimes go for vultures that are flying low above the water to catch something. And yeah. Oh, good. I do hope I can get a jetfish here. So. Never mind, I don't need to. There. Yeah. There. There. I once had a vulture, like, dive bomb me in one of these rooms. Yeah. Please don't. Oh god, this is gonna be so annoying. Did he just, I think he just, oh, he grabbed onto him. Oh god, no. God, please stop it. These are so annoying sometimes. Oh, I don't need it. Oh yeah, I ate that last food up there. Here, good. Okay, good. I think this will be the last shelter before I get the looks of the moon. Okay. Oh, there, that's a Leviathan. You see in the corner? There, that is our, yeah, the largest creature in the game. I think it's gone. I really hope it's gone. Let's see. Don't. Most of them are gone. Get up. Good. Let me. Good, I have the air back. Okay, out. Oh, get out, good. No! Oh, well, this next time I'll time it better. I was going the wrong way anyway. Okay, now the Leviathan is over there. Yeah, I can eat this thing. Now what I need to do is I need to correctly time the whole swimming action. Good, here. And then fruit. Now I should be in the clear. Good. Time. This will be a long swim. So I'll likely just edit this whole swimming part out because like this is actually insanely long. Finally. Good. And this is Looks to the Moon. Or at least part of Looks to the Moon. Yeah, I don't think. Oh no, rain time just woods is inside of here. I know there's shelters in here, so I don't need to worry about it. Yeah. Now he wants me to go in here. Little. For some reason, the community called the little thing that's showing me where to go Iggy. Which is an interesting name for an interesting creature. Okay, so I have been here before, so what you want to do is you want to down, up. So if you can't make a jump, you hold forward, hold the direction that you're jumping in, and while you jump, and that will get you a little bit further. Yeah. Ooh, this is not a good. No, I don't make this. Okay. Good. Got it. Good. Now. Good. Yes. Good. I'm not an idiot. At least I'm partially an idiot. Good. Here. So I'm gonna quickly go into a shelter, and then yeah, I'll probably cut to when I'm going to look to the moon. There. If you're coming through a pipe, then as soon as you get out, you jump and do that like long slide. Yes. Yes. Sad to look at. Here. Okay, and prepare yourself. You will now get to meet Looks to the Moon, or her puppet. I'm technically moving through Looks to the Moon. Yeah, I can't talk to her. Really. For now. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that was Look to the Moon. Okay, I'll end it here once I go back. I'll end it here. Wait, I'll just quickly go back to the shelter and get out. So what will happen is I'll go over and talk to Five Pebbles. Five Pebbles is still functional, unlike Looks to the Moon. And then, if you want, I will then go back to Five. If you want, I will then go back to Five. So look, after I've spoken to Five Pebbles, he's given me the ability to talk to them. If you want, I'll go back to Looks to the Moon, and then I can talk with her. Yeah. Here, likely. You also do a slide jump while you're going around the corner. So, I hope you enjoyed, and, yeah. Goodbye. was like in a dream. Well, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed.